Hey Gemini, welcome back to Distilled Tarot. My name's Shannon. I'll be guiding you through today's reading. This is going to be our daily reading for Sunday, February 28th. Let's see what's going on with Gemini. At the heart of your reading, we have the Ace of Cups. Looks like we're talking about a new opportunity in love for you today. The timing is right. You've closed out a cycle. New love is coming in. Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck. What challenge is Gemini facing regarding this new love offer? Ten of Pentacles reversed. You may not feel like you have your life set up the way that you want it to be before a new person enters. So you might resist connecting with a new person. Show me Gemini's focus. Knight of Cups. Yeah, you're focused on the energy of acting on the love in your heart. Now, you might be on the receiving end of this, or you might be the one reaching out to someone based on how you feel about them. Interestingly, I feel like it's a bit of both. Like, universe is really kind of pushing you guys together. Show me the recent past for Gemini. What led up to this? Judgment in reverse. Revisiting an old decision. Well, that's really going to depend on what you've decided in the past about love, about pursuing love, about how you view entering a new relationship. You might have seen it as like the dating game is a struggle, like you have to, what's the gauntlet metaphor? Like pass through the gauntlet? I'm not sure what that, like, I'm getting this like, medieval knight sense of like having to go through a difficult, narrow passageway where like slings and arrows are just coming at you. Viewing dating, the concept of dating like that. Like you'll always have to be on guard. If you've felt that way, you're rethinking it now. Well, however you felt before, whatever your decision about new love. You're saying, oh, maybe this time will be different. Maybe I'm going to approach this in a new way. The energy of the environment is equanimity and reciprocity in what you need, in a very practical sense. Like, in a relationship, I need communication. In a relationship, I need to spend time with the other person. In a relationship, I do like physical affection, but not in public. Like these sorts of just the practical elements, the nuts and bolts of what you prefer in a relationship. I think that this indicates that you guys are a very good match in that way. There's not a lot of having to teach someone else or learn someone else's ways, because you're already quite compatible. In the near future, we have the Empress. This is your energy, feeling confident and a little bit sassy. I'm not sure what this emotion is that they're giving me. Give me a second. It's like the cat that got the canary sort of feeling. Like after you spend time with your person, you'll be going through the rest of your life, like going to work, like, I got something awesome in my life. Like it really just lifts your whole spirit in every area of your life. Show me surprise energy for Gemini. What is going to affect the situation that Gemini is not expecting? Oh, what else? King of Wands, Tower reversed. Okay, so Tower is a backup energy, which says, and it's reversed, which says there's no disaster attached to this for those of you tarot aficionados who might be concerned about that. It's indicating a sudden, unexpected, well, it's showing up in the surprise position, so that's not a surprise. The fact that it's going to be sudden and unexpected. The King of Wands, however, I feel like this is actually your person because you are showing up to me as the Empress energy. King of Wands is your person. What it seems like is that it has to do with how well you get to know them in a short amount of time. Like you get a complete picture of who they are, and you really like what you're learning. They become a powerful presence in your life almost overnight. And they want to be there. It's mutual. You want them to be in your life, and they want to be in your life. It feels exciting, yet safe. Like you feel safe when you're with them. I guess there's trust there is what I'm getting at. Your hopes and fears, we have the Star in reverse. You're afraid to hope. You're afraid to dream too big. Like, the Star is here, so that's good. The Star stands for hopes and dreams. But it's like Gemini is starting to dream, but you're still not letting yourself fully dive into that dream. They're giving me the sense of like looking at a pool of water and that representing the relationship and feeling like, oh, that's beautiful and sparkly and awesome, and I bet it holds a lot of amazing stuff. but I don't want to touch it because if I touch it, it might disappear and reveal itself to be an illusion. I don't know why they were giving me a field of water. I mean, the sparkly water in there could have something to do with it. I'll add in all my sparkles today. I guess I'm in sparkle mode. Show me the end result for Gemini. How do these energies resolve? Thank you. What do we have here? Seven of Wands reversed. Here you are letting your guard down. Whatever barrier that you have erected in order to keep yourself safe from having your heart broken, you're going to trust this person enough to really let them in. It's going to be so good, you guys. Show me advice for Gemini. How can Gemini work with these energies for their highest and best good? Two of Swords reversed. Don't get stuck in indecision. Whenever you're going to be faced with, every day is a new decision. When faced with a decision, make the decision and move on. Don't get stuck in making a decision and then wondering if you made the right decision and going back and rethinking it. There are going to be new decisions, and you can keep yourself stuck in a pattern of rethinking the one thing, or you can move on to bigger and better and more decisions. Spirit is advising the latter. Gemini, I hope that helped. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye.